You got your talkie on you?
So that's my friend Austin. He's my Uber driver. He's pretty good at it. That's my lead photographer Steve. He's also a redhead. And that's a small medium. Get it? Because she's short. Her name's Alex. She talks to ghosts.
Well, that's where we were hearing the deer last time.
What if it was a pig? What if it was a pig?
Huh?
What if it was a pig?
We were hearing noises over
Oh,
off
that scared me.
over in here. Oh yeah, you're gonna see a lot of fireflies too.
There's a bug on me, Austin.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm picking up all kinds of stuff.
I'm not seeing fireflies tonight.
I'm seeing stuff though.
Yeah, a little bit. Not as many as we saw last time though.
And now I'm getting a pain on my left shoulder. No,
Can you like, Steve, fuck off.
What?
Nothing. Stop doing that. Okay, I was just recording myself taking a piss on accident.
Nature's beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Thanks, BB.
You like ghosts?
You like ghosts?
You like ghosts, Austin?
I like ghosts.
You guys like ghosts? It's fucking goddamn it.
headaches over here.
Was it this bridge or the second bridge where they derailed?
I don't know exactly.
I don't know either.
No, over the back there is when I heard that Ted say complaint.
Well, the other bridge back there seems a lot older than this one, so.
Is this where we saw that face?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, you're kidding. And that's where we got headaches too?
I thought you guys were a lot closer behind me than that. No, pretty far down.
There's a stream over there that I didn't know about before.
I can make a stream too, Doc.
Same.
I already did.
Ah, penis.
I think you should ask the questions. Yes.
If you're more spiritually sensitive.
Sounds good.
Cool, so you're gonna take this, you're gonna push this up, and it's gonna record.
You push what up?
I mean, there's
This.
hobo.
Bring up the button.
Okay.
You want the camera?
No,
Flash it?
I forgot
Yeah,
we
ask as many as you want, you know?
Are you the one that gave me a pain in my left shoulder blade?
Alright, so we didn't get really anything on the bottom of the bridge, so we decided to go on top, and that's where shit gets real. Ew, it's a troll!
Mostly under a bridge, dumbass.
I was.
So before I turn on the camera, the audio is still playing on the recorders, and we catch this really fucking creepy laugh, so give that a listen. Yeah, sure, yeah. Alright, I'll say this one time. Also, if you say anything, I'll fucking kill you. Don't even move. You're not allowed. You're not allowed to move. No one's allowed to move. Just gonna let it do its thing, okay? Just turn the lights off. Yeah, I'll just sit down. Just let it do its thing. Okay, so this next part where it gets pretty fucking interesting, because I was just memeing when I say, "Hey demons, come take me," you know, and then it just it's all downhill. It was just so fucked, man. Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy. I was just kidding. No, it's not.
Did you shut that off, or did it die perfectly at that time?
No, what the fuck?
I told you not.
Oh my god!
Did you shut that off?
I did shut that off. What the fuck?
Did it die perfectly at the
Oh my fucking god! I'm freaking out.
I told you not to.
Alright. Is there anybody here right now? No one move or talk, please.
I'm getting off the train track.
Just shut the fuck up. Anybody at all? Did you turn off that speaker? Did you die on the train? Can you show us another sign that you're here?
Next train? Next track? Ready? Everything?
I got fucking goosebumps, dude. I'm fucking like just like freaking out. I'm like a fucking. Is there anybody here right now? Please show yourself. Chief, take the camera. Put it on me.
I just heard a
Did
growl.
you hear that pig?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah. I heard like a growl or like an oink.
It's just so fucking cold.
What? I'm not holding on to the camera.
Stop talking, Bree.
That was the most polite response.
I told him. Guys, I'm like having a fucking panic attack right now. My fucking anxiety is just fucking killing me.
You know that could be something like attacking you,
Oh, sick.
like coming onto you.
Awesome.
So what you want to do is say
I ain't
like,
gay,
please
homie."
don't touch me.
I
you gotta
invite it.
tell 'em,
I
like,
welcome
don't
it.
touch- Oh no.
And
Please do not touch me. I do not welcome anybody touching me. Thank you.
You can touch me, spirits. I am your vessel.
There's just a fucking wall of black at the end of that.
Yeah.
yeah, watch this.
No.
This is gonna scare him.
It's like a naked man. Yeah, I don't need good lighting for this camera. It's fine. Thanks, Austin. Oh, thank you so much for shining my eyes. Yep.
I was like, here.
I'm seeing dots.
I saw a red thing over here.
This is fucking purgatory.
I'm the fucking light. Scumbag, get your phone.
Already dead.
Hey, remember when we could see the bridge? Like, how hard it is to see it right now?
This audio is probably the most terrifying one that we got.
I
'cause
literally-
It's like a woman whispering that we shouldn't be here, and I wasn't filming at the time, so I'm putting it over the footage that's playing right now. Can you show us that you're here?
Oh, I just got really cold.
It was pretty chilly.
No, I just got so cold. What does that say?
Everyone leaves. Leave plus something. Be kind.
Bukkake?
I don't know if that's the tag. That's dope. Yeah, tag up.
Hey, what's wrong with this world? They're fucking...
Don't look at me.
Ah, don't say that.
Yeah, you can figure it out. Get your visor off. Alright, thank you. Good.
That's awesome. I hope.
Ghost stuff. That's awesome.
Where's he gonna go?
Where's your place start?
I want to switch off my camera. Oh my god. Is there anybody here? Can you talk through that box right there? Can you show us any sign of being here with us? Hello? Can you talk into the recorder that's in my hand? Did you die in the train car? Can you make the machine stop making noise? Yo, dude, I'm freaking out, man. I'm freaking out. What? Stop. I'm cold, dude. It's so cold right now. Oh my God. Do you feel that? Check my arm. Do I have goosebumps? Here, hold. Get the camera in. Check it. Oh my God, look at my fucking arm, dude. Do you see that? Shine a light on me. Do you fucking see that?
Oh, did you hear that?
Dude, I am so fucking cold right now. Can you show us another sign that you're here?
Turn it back on. Did it once, you can do it again, can't you?
Don't.
Don't.
Do not provoke.
All right, Shane, let's go.
Yeah. Yep.
Bye.
Oh my God, I'm gonna fall.
He said bye. They have to leave.